Hi, I'm Gaurav Bakshi's wife. My husband got into an altercation with Minister Nilkanth's team yesterday. I spent the whole day trying to get a bail for him in a matter to which he had willfully surrendered, and I had to leave my 84-year-old father-in-law who's sick at home just to pursue this whole matter the whole day. I got a call from police that I had to be present at the Mapsa police station to finish the bail formalities. The two sections that he was arrested under were bailable, and it was a fairly simple process for me to be present for. When I reached there, I got to know that they have added one more section, which is a non-bailable section. And it was not a simple bail anymore. We then reached out to the magistrate and we filed a bail plea. The matter had to be heard at around 9 p.m. And the police officer in charge had to file his response and be present by 9 p.m. The officer reached by 9:30. And then he said that he was not ready with his response, to which the magistrate has adjourned the matter till tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. My husband has to spend 16 hours in jail for a matter which is clearly motivated and frivolous in nature. He is nothing but a law-abiding citizen and has always stood ground and stood up for all the matters that really matter to Goa. I think it was very important for me to share this side of the experience for you to understand how this state is treating the citizens who are standing up for the right causes. Thank you.